most of us are pretty hopeless with names, aren't we? We meet someone, 3 seconds later, we can't remember the name. Or what's really embarrassing is you go to a networking event or somewhere in business, restaurant or something, and someone says, "Hey, Greg, great to see you." And you're thinking, well, I know that face. I wonder who that is. I've got no idea of the name. Embarrassing, isn't it? And this is rather difficult too, because people love to be recognized. When they recognize you and they use your name, you feel pretty good. Oh, I'm important. They've remembered me. But the reverse, we're not so good at it. So remembering names and using people's names, very, very critical. So think about when you meet someone, really listen for the name. Really concentrate on the name. Do some association with the name in that person so that it sticks with you. And use the name. When you see people, say, "Oh, Suzuki-san," or "Bill," or "Mary," get the name out there and give them that terrific dopamine hit of being recognized, valued in public. Names are powerful. Bit of a double-edged sword, though, if we can't remember them, but very powerful if we make the effort to recall face and name.